Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Sony WH-CH510 headphones and I'm going to show you how to pair them with your MacBook. At first, hover the Bluetooth icon at the top, click on it and here click Bluetooth settings. Here, now you have to bring your headphones and go into pairing mode. Make sure that your headphones are turned off and hold the power button for at least 7 seconds. And now, as you can see, our headphones should appear over here. Now you have to hover them and click connect. And as you can see, we are now connected. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.